We're at the South County Government Center on Richmond Highway, and we're here for a public meeting regarding the county's transportation priority plan. And we're here to get public input on a series of projects that we've identified for future investments of county transportation dollars. We have approximately 200 projects that have been identified throughout the county. And as part of this process, we're looking for feedback from the citizens to help us select a smaller group of projects that fit within the funding that's available, so that we can narrow down a recommendation and prepare that for the Board of Supervisors. This is the first of a series of meetings, and at the meeting it's an opportunity for our citizens to come out and learn more about the projects that are being proposed. We have information about each of the projects, such as the endpoints or the location of those projects, and then we have the opportunity for them to take a survey, and in the survey they can tell us which of those projects they think are most important to them, which are the ones that we should really be considering when we make a recommendation to the Board of Supervisors for funding. All the information that we're going to be presenting tonight is available online, and there'll be a copy of the presentation there. There'll also be a copy of the project list. All the mapping will be there, and the mapping online is interactive. So if you hover your mouse over the dot where the project is, it will pop up a little box that has a description of the project, the cost, and some additional information about the project. And really this is kind of the pinnacle of that work that we've been doing, where we bring it out to the citizens, we have an opportunity to engage with them, get their feedback, and really that input is really what makes the ultimate project list successful, is not just the technical analysis that we've done, but the input from the citizens as well, because they're the ones ultimately that are going to be benefiting from whichever projects are selected.